protests, effectively engaging diverse audiences while highlighting serious political issues. A recent protest featuring Pikachu demonstrates this innovative strategy. The resurgence of participation in these protests reflects the potency of viral content to mobilize individuals, reigniting movements that seem to be losing steam. Erdogan's government encounters mounting challenges from a resilient protest movement, signaling increased dissatisfaction among the Turkish populace over political repression and governance shortcomings. The obstacles Erdogan faces in quelling the protests are significant, characterized by a large faction of the population opposing his leadership and the looming potential for escalating violence. His political future appears increasingly precarious. The Pikachu phenomenon has not only re-energized protests in Turkey but also garnered international interest, encouraging people worldwide to participate in the demonstrations.
This kultural twist enrichese Protestnarrative.
The influence of Pikachu extends beyond Turkey, inspiring similar protest movements in neighboring nations like Georgia, where demonstrators embrace the Pikachu theme. This trend signifies a growing sense of solidarity in regional protests. The Pikachu costume worn during Turkish protests exemplifies how iconic characters can spotlight social issues, catalyzing activism. This savvy marketing approach has gained significant recognition. Pikachu stands out as the most recognizable figure in video gaming, eclipsing other prominent franchises such as Marvel and Star Wars. This underscores the distinctive status of Japanese characters within global media. The cultural impact of Japanese anime has surged, exemplified by the popularity of Ghibli films and their viral presence on social media. Influencers and public figures increasingly embrace anime aesthetics. The financial success of Japanese anime is impressive, yielding revenues that significantly surpass those of the Indian film industry, emphasizing its expansive global reach and appeal. In its competition with Hollywood for popularity and cultural significance, Japanese anime illustrates how creativity can amplify a nation's soft power and enhance its international presence. Utilizing anime in diplomacy and protests demonstrates its capacity to shape global trends, revealing how cultural products can affect political and social movements.